these nuts.
Welcome back to another episode of BOSEPHUS the Truck. And as you can see, the cab is back on the frame. This next video is about building the cab lift with my buddy Max and getting it on. All right, the day I've been waiting for is finally here. We're gonna get this cab back on the frame. And today I have a special guest, my helper and camera guy, Maxwell.
Hey.
He's gonna come out here and help me make this cab lift. All right, you've probably seen this cab lift style 1,000 times on YouTube. It's just gonna be a simple 2x4. It's gonna be two 2x4s screwed together at a pivot point with two kind of holders on the end. So we're gonna lift the cab up with this. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is figure out what width we need. So it looks like you got it just past the drip rail there, Max?
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like minimum of 5 feet. So we're gonna go like 5 feet 1 inch. Are you excited to see this thing on the frame?
Yes.
All right.
Very, actually.
All right, the first thing we're gonna do is cut two 2x4s to 61 inches. All right, now that we got our 4x4, we're gonna make a flat surface for the truck cab upper door opening to rest on, and then also a holder on the end of the same length. We're gonna make 16 inches. Okay, so we're gonna line up our line.
Okay. Oh, with that?
Let's see. Quick little test fit to make sure everything works. All right, the next thing to do is to find the balance point and then to move an inch over so it's favored on this side. So if the cab needs to swing one direction, it's going to swing towards the hoist here. It's about right here. Okay. So there's center point. So now we want it to go that way. So we make sure that we are on that side. It doesn't even need to be an inch. A half inch. Okay, so that's our center point. The next thing we're going to do is create a, I guess you'd call it a bracket to come down and to hold the bolt for the center point. So we need one on each side. All right, the final thing we need to do is drill the holes for the bolt to go through. And I've already measured it that it needs to be 5 3/4 inch down. So I'm going to drill a hole on each side for the bolt, and then we can put it together. Okay, try banging it. Harder.
I see it going in. No, I got it. I want to do it.
Okay.
Woo! Epic gamer.
Did we put it on backwards? We put it on the wrong side. Alright, we gotta do that all again. Alright, we've got our pivot bolt in with some spacer washers on the inside. The final touch is a safety strap in case it goes too far the other way, which we don't want to happen.
Wow.
Should we give this thing a test?
Yes.
Let's do it. It sure is cooking. That's warm. Can you bring that one?
Alright, let's lift this cab. Did you just do that? Did you take my cab?
Yeah, just stand away from the cab. I don't want you to get anywhere underneath it. Go out just a little bit. All right, I have some fresh cab mounts to install. So we're gonna put those on and slowly lower the cab on. This piece goes here. This piece goes to the top. Where that hole is. Okay, we've got the first rubber mount on, the other rubber mount on the bottom, just a loose nut. And now we're going to do the back mounts. So this one goes right here. And I'll put the other one on. Okay, the lift is okay. All right, all the mounts are in. All the nuts are deezed.
These nuts.
Thanks, buddy. All right, thanks to my big helper Max, the cab, after a few months, is back on the frame with all the underside repaired. I have some more finish welds to do inside on the floors. I still need to go around the door openings and a few other minor bits and pieces, but it's time to move on to core support. But before I do that, I'm going to take a little break because it's officially motorcycle season here in Phoenix. So I'm gonna get all my bikes going again and clean this garage. I'll see you next time. The garage is clean, man.